natin ngayon ang pinakabagong Pinoy K-pop idol, Kapuso star Julian Ramos!
Yeah! Hi guys, hi everyone. Hi Ate Rachel.
Thank you for being with us here today.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so kumusta yung feeling na ikaw ang pinakaunang Pinoy na nag-training ng Korean system?
First of all, syempre, I feel so blessed. I feel so very, medyo overwhelming kasi yung opportunity eh. Medyo hindi siya, hindi ko rin siya in-expect kasi nga it's a really big thing. Like, it's an international scene. So, yun, sobrang thankful kasi yun, nagtiwala din yung mga Korean producers sa akin and at the same time, nandun din yung pressure kasi nga it's a first, so it needs to be successful. So
ever since ba mahilig ka sa mga K-pop?
Honestly, not so much eh. Kumbaga, hindi po ako ganun ka open sa kanila. Like, more in Western ako. Pero, yun, kaya rin siya. Kaya naging challenge din siya sa akin to, like, research for it. Kumbaga, alamin ko ano yung culture nila. Like, who's the best in this business now. So, yun. As of now, medyo marami na rin naman akong kilalang K-pop idols.
Kasi from what we've gathered, you were tapped by JU Entertainment, which is a Korean company, to train with them.
Yeah.
Can you share kung paano kanya napili ng Korean company na yun?
Actually, parang nagkaroon daw ng series of, like, they were actually looking for a lot of artists. Parang maraming pinagpilian, maraming choices. Tapos, yun, alam ko na-meet din nila, like some of the artists, I don't know who. Pero, na-meet din nila yung mga Korean producers. Pero kasi yung si Sir Jack, the one who made the song, dun siya sa feelings na eh. Parang there's this certain feeling na kailangan niya makuha. Yung vibe daw nung artist. Kung pagpasok pa na nung office, kailangan maramdaman niya na daw. And yun lang, lately ko lang din nalaman na parang mayroon daw siya naramdaman sa akin. And it was like very casual for me. Like, pumunta kami sa isang office, pumunta kami sa office nila. And then, sabi nila, just a few talks and then they made me sing. Parang, Julian, go sing. And I was like, go sing? Teka lang po, parang kasi alam ko, I mean, I'm not into singing that time before. Kung hindi naman po ako singer talaga, I'm into dancing. So, syempre nagulat din ako with what's happening and then wala lang, parang tinry lang akong kumanta and then doon na siya nag-start. Sabi ni Sir Jack nun, nalaman ko recently lang na like 3 weeks siya daw pinag-isipan. It was really a long process din eh. Kasi after kong nagpakita sa kanila, ang tagal din namin bago nag-meet ulit. So after 3 weeks yun, sabi niya, parang internalize niya and stuff and all that. Naramdaman niya, kailangan nandun yung feeling eh. And then he wrote the song and then poof, there's Wiki Me.
Sa impromptu.
What's the song again? It's, parang Chris Brown's With You.
Wow.
Medyo
May
yun.
dance?
Nah, just singing lang. So, yun. Sample? Ano ba yung song? Kalimutan, hiya bigla. Hindi, With you, yun yan eh. So, yun yung song. So, hindi ko na tinuloy, diba?
Pero it helps also na diba you also do yung mga YouTube videos?
Yes. Yun din, nag-check din sila. So, parang with singing, they wanted to like see it actual. Tapos yung dancing naman, nag-check sila sa YouTube ko. So, parang siya eh, complete package yung kailangan nila. Like, someone who dances and someone who sings. So parang in my case naman, parang dancing lang din yung strength ko eh. So parang sabi nila, it was, mas prefer nila yung ma-workout yung singing kasi yung dancing. Kasi nga, dun daw tumatagal eh. Kasi sobrang medyo intensive din kasi ang training ng dancing. So, yun parang they find it more convenient for them na singing yung i-workout. Kahit kasi ngayon hindi ko ganun forte.
Gaano ka-intense yung training? Like, mga ilang months ka nag-train muna dito sa Philippines?
I think almost a year. I was training here in the Philippines. Tapos, at least 3 to 4 hours every day. So, singing and dancing every day.
Kasi sinikreto mo to?
Super secret siya. Like, when I was doing Ronda that time, yun yung mga times na yun, I think. Oh, yeah. Then, while I'm doing a lot of shows then for GMA, like guestings and stuff, Di ko din siya sinasabi. Kasi parang gusto ko maging tahimik lang yung process.
Kaya pala meron mga post na mga artists, parang leap of faith.
Yeah. Yun lang. More on ganun lang. More on, ang tawag dito, breadcrumbs lang of what's really happening. So.
Tapos, nagpunta ka ng Korea to continue your training?
Parang yun yung parang to seal up the first music. I mean, yung first single kasi was Wiki Me. So parang to seal it up lang, minit ko yung mismong choreographer, the one who made the official dance. Tapos yun, nagkaroon din ng intensive training. Actually, I'm supposedly 1 week lang kami, but I stayed there for like almost 2 weeks. Kasi nga, we need to like focus and we need to work out with the dance pa. Kasi parang yun nga, sabi ko, like ko sinasabi, Koreans have this own way of dancing A certain way, like unique way of dancing at ibang-iba siya dito sa atin. Hindi sila more empowered, it's more of like just smoothness. Alam mo, sobrang strict nila when it comes to everything, kaya medyo napatagal din yung so.
Sobrang precise.
Sobrang precise, as in nagpo-pause kami, hinto kami talaga pag may mali, ulit. So, ganun siya ka-strict. Doon na nung time na yun, nung nasa stage na ako, doon na nag-sync yung lahat na, totoo pala talaga. So, yun, with the help of nandun yung Artist Center, yung J Entertainment, syempre, they pushed me, kumbaga, relax ka lang.